I've got proof that Google's search dominance is crumbling. Classic content marketing is dead. The old way of doing content marketing, those finding the high volume keywords, writing a blog post, targeting the keywords, and then just praying and hoping that your post is going to rank in Google, dead. It's gone. Why? Because Google is no longer the primary or largest source of information consumption on the web. And we've got the data to prove it. According to Datos, while Google dominates as the largest traffic referrer, it only ranks 5th in terms of where people actually spend their time, where they consume content. Just a mere 10% of the pie, meaning that fewer and fewer people are hanging out on Google. They're mostly hanging out on social media, news, and productivity sites. This changes everything for your dental practice. How? Well, it takes a lot more than just SEO to win in content marketing today. You can't just rely on only Google to bring you your new patients anymore. In this video, I'm going to uncover the shocking truth behind this shift. We'll dissect the latest research and reveal exactly where you need to focus your marketing efforts to stay ahead of the competition. If you don't know me, my name is Kelsey, and I'm the Chief Strategy Officer here at Roadside Dental Marketing. I'm also a complete geek for metrics and marketing research. I'm certified by Google for analytics, ads management in both search and video, and last year I won the Who's Who in the World award for marketing. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm a big fan of Google, but Google is grappling with several significant challenges. Some of those are AI. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, recently launched Search GPT, which poses a growing threat to Google's dominance in the search engine market. As users increasingly turn to AI-powered solutions for more interactive and precise responses, Google's traditional search model faces pressure to innovate, to adapt to this new preference. And in the broader AI landscape, Google is also now competing with several tech giants, with up-and-coming startups. Trying to maintain a leading edge in AI technology also requires substantial investment and rapid advancements. And this is difficult to sustain in this fast evolving field. And that's not even mentioning that just recently, Google lost a court battle where it was accused of monopolistic practices. This legal defeat underscores regulatory scrutiny and the increasing pressure on Google to alter its business practices to foster fair competition. The ruling could lead to significant changes in how Google operates, and it could even potentially impact its revenue streams and market strategy. Now, I mentioned earlier that the classic content marketing way is dead. The old way of doing marketing in general is dead. Now, this isn't something I say lightly, but it is true. Google is no longer the primary or largest source of information consumption on the web, meaning that your content needs to be present before patients start searching, before they start looking for your brand or websites that they've already heard, before they speak out or seek out answers to their problems, before their journey to a solution even begins. Modern content marketing means being present in places where your audience pays attention, where they consume content, where they learn about the problems that you as a brand can solve. Why? Because almost everything happens in these areas before a search is ever made. In 2024 and onward, Google is simply going to take credit for the ideas, preferences, and information needs that were created somewhere else. And all of this means that you need a more modern content marketing strategy. Because more than ever, you have to win in areas that are broader than search. Want to learn more about omnipresent marketing and how we implement it in the nation's most premier practices? Click right here to see the exact strategy that we've used in multiple practices. Make sure that you like our channel for more tips and tricks about how to turn your practice into one of the nation's elite practices. And if you have any questions about how this might or could affect your practice, hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.